major bathroom remodel, which usually involves completely gutting the bathroom, all fixtures being removed, and then an upgrade on the overall look of the bathroom like we've done here, as well as many times people are looking for a little extra space in order to make the bathroom the size they really want. We were able to get that extra space here by encroaching into an existing area and claiming an area of 4 foot by 12 foot to expand this shower and the closet right beside it. Of course, a successful major bath remodel involves a lot more than just selecting pretty fixtures. The desire to get rid of the old dated fixtures usually brings on these projects, but creating a layout to maximize the available space is where the challenge lies. In doing that, some relocation or addition of plumbing lines is inevitable, which isn't cheap, so planning to minimize it will help you to control the budget. Hiring a professional designer or architect for a major bath remodel is often a good investment because they understand these issues and can create a design that addresses them, as well as your desire for a larger, more modern bathroom.